Have you ever wondered how fake camera attacks used to bypass KYC verification system? In this video, we'll explore a highly advanced technique for spoofing an Android phone's camera using live streaming via RTMP protocol from OBS Studio or by using pre-recorded content from your device's photo and video gallery. We won't be using LSPOSED or other well-known and easily detectable techniques, as they are simple and don't even work with the most basic applications. We'll be discussing a more sophisticated and robust technique that resists advanced detection. This guide will cover all the necessary tools and skills. Requirements. Before we start, make sure you have the following tools ready. An Android device. We recommend using a Xiaomi, Google Pixel, or OnePlus phone. Root access is required. We recommend using kernel SU, although Magisk can also work. You will also need a computer, a USB cable, OBS Studio, the Fcam media server, and the Fcam Android APK. If you don't have a rooted physical Android device, you can use BlueStacks as an alternative and enable root access on it. Now let's start with the necessary setup on the computer. On your computer, you need to install two free programs. 1. OBS Studio, a free and open source software used for video recording and live streaming. It will be used to capture and stream your camera feed. 2. Fcam Media Server, a free RTMP streaming server that receives the video stream from OBS and makes it available to the application. Both programs are completely free and can be downloaded from their official GitHub repositories. The download links are provided below this video. Now let's move on to setting up your Android phone. On your device, you'll need to download, install, and configure the following applications from their official GitHub repositories. The download links are provided below this video. Kernel SU. Kernel SU is a modern Android root solution that provides powerful root management with a focus on security, performance, and system integration. It is widely considered a better alternative to Magisk, especially when it comes to root hiding and passing root detection on many applications. SUSFS for Kernel SU. SUSFS is a Kernel SU module that enhances root concealment by hiding root-related files, mounts, and other indicators from applications. It significantly improves compatibility with apps that perform advanced root detection and works alongside kernel SU to provide more effective root hiding. Fcam. Fcam is a virtual camera application for the phone. Disclaimer.
This video is for educational purposes only. The software featured, including OBS Studio and Fcam, is intended for legitimate uses such as live streaming. Any illegal or unauthorized use is strictly prohibited and may violate the software's terms of service.
Now let's move over to the computer and configure the video streaming setup. 1. Installing OBS Studio. Go to the official OBS website and select the version that matches your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. In our case, we'll choose the Windows version. Download and install it. Once the installation is complete, launch the program. Drag and drop the image or video you want to stream to your phone into the designated media area in OBS. 2. Fcam Media Server Setup. Download Fcam Media Server, extract the files, and then open the program. This is the stream URL we'll use in OBS, and this is the stream key. Now, copy them and paste them into the appropriate fields in OBS. Click Settings, then click Stream. And paste the URL. Copy the stream key and paste it too into OBS. Don't forget to enable the loop option so the video keeps playing continuously. This RTMP stream URL is the one we'll use later in the mobile app to receive the stream from OBS. Now, let's move on to setting up the mobile phone. Root your Android phone and install a suitable root management solution. In our case, we will use kernel SU because it provides powerful and comprehensive root access. It also offers effective root hiding capabilities, making root detection more difficult for applications that refuse to run on rooted devices or devices with modified ROMs. Download and set it up from its official GitHub repository. Now, download the SUSFS module from its official repository. SUSFS provides advanced root hiding capabilities by concealing root-related files, mounts, and system modifications, making root detection more difficult for applications that do not run on rooted or modified devices. From the official repository, download the module as a zip file. Now open kernel SU, go to the Modules section, tap Install, and select the zip file we downloaded. Tap OK and wait for the flashing process to finish. Once it is complete, reboot the phone. Now open the SUSFS module settings and configure the options exactly as shown in the video. This setup provides the most effective root hiding configuration. Download and install the Fcam app using the link below the video, then grant it root access through kernel SU or Magisk. Open the Fcam app, tap the Start button, and wait a few seconds for the camera replacement process to complete. Enable the floating window switch. A floating control panel with video options will appear. Tap the icon for adding an RTMP stream URL, enter the URL we previously obtained from the media server on Windows, and then tap Save. Open OBS Studio and click Start Streaming. Then return to your phone and open any camera app. You will notice that the live feed from the physical camera has been successfully replaced with our custom stream from OBS Studio. You can then control the video however you like, including changing its orientation, zooming in or out, switching to another video, and more. Our method replaces the camera feed at the system level, so any application that requests camera access will receive our custom stream. This differs from common LS post-based methods, which target only specific applications and are generally easier to detect. You can now use a pre-selected video as a live camera feed in supported applications such as TikTok, YouTube, and others. Similarly, you can skip using OBS and RTMP and instead use a video stored locally on your phone. In this case, you don't need a computer at all. Simply go to the Selfie Camera tab, tap the Media Picker icon, and select the photo or video you want to use. Enable the floating window switch to open the video control panel. If the video appears upside down or rotated incorrectly, open Video Settings. Enable Fix Video Rotation, then tap Save. Wait until the rotation correction process is complete. After that, you can use the Rotate button to rotate the video to any orientation you want. You can also zoom in, zoom out, move the video, and perform other adjustments. That's it, you've successfully replaced your device's camera with a virtual camera. You can now use any pre-recorded custom video for live streaming on supported apps, without needing the real camera.